You are given a tissue with its potential for differentiation in an artificial culture. So you have to identify which of the following pairs of hormones would you add to the medium to secure shoots as well as roots? Option A, auxin and abscisic acid. Now, while auxins are involved in root development, abscisic acid plays a role in stress response and dormancy and not in shoot or root differentiation. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, gibberellin and abscisic acid. It is also incorrect because gibberellins are mainly involved in stem elongation and seed germination, while abscisic acid regulates stress and dormancy. Option C, IAA and gibberellin. Now, IAA, which is a type of auxin, it supports root formation. But gibberellins are not involved in shoot or root differentiation. Hence, it is incorrect. Option D, auxin and cytokinin. Now, auxins like IAA, that is indole acetic acid, promote root development, while cytokinins stimulate shoot formation. And the ratio of auxin to cytokinin in the medium determines whether roots, shoots, or callus formation occurs. So, it is an ideal pair for differentiation in tissue culture. Thus, it is the correct option.